say it ain't so. Man. Hearing this weird noise. Like it's a dog outside. I'm scared to step out there. It's like ching ching ching. Like what's going on? Yeah. Man, I just found out like the cable company, like every time you call, it takes like 2 hours just to talk to somebody. That's bad, you know? And then like my Wi-Fi be down. Man, it was giving me some problems. Talking about some serious problems. Man, it was down for a bit. Yup. Hold on. Yeah, it was like this weird noise outside, so I had to go check it out. I don't know what it was, but I hope I scared the person away. Because I got like a bicycle outside, you know? It was like one time they had got tooken because I ain't put no chain. Oops, excuse me. But yeah, if you have a bicycle, put chains on them. Yep. If you don't put no chain, they will try to take it. Yep. Put some chain on them. They'll be safe. And then I went somewhere to go buy some wings, right? Whenever you get wings and they gonna put in a little box, ask them for extra sauce. That's like the only way of eating them things. Like, and then you could just dip it and put more sauce on it. I was like, man, I ain't really want to eat it because they didn't have enough sauce, you know? But I ate it because I was like, next time I'll buy some sauce. Yep. Next time I'll buy some more sauce. I don't post to, but it was like a mean craving. So I had to go buy what I needed, you know? No games. So I bought it. Man, when I tell you I had a craving for several stuff. So I went to go buy it. And then one of my cards, I was like, whoa. I'm surprised it didn't say declined. Because I looked at it, it said, you got a zero balance. I was like, whoa. I ran it up, you know. This month was that month. I had to spend on some stuff that I needed, you know. And I don't have Charm. I got a credit card. Swipe that baby. I don't need cash. I just need credit. Yeah. So I gotta think of a way for next month. Don't go over budget, you know. Then my other one, it had like $200 that I could still use. So I think I used that one. I'm not too sure which card I use. I was just swiping a lot of cards. It's like shoot, 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 shoot. Yep. Earning credit. Yep. But yep, I still ate the chicken wing. I was mad, but I still ate it. It ain't taste how it usually tastes. When they give you like a lot of sauce, you could just dip the chicken and spread the sauce on it. Yep. That was how my day was. Yep. And it was raining. It was raining like all this week. It was raining like crazy. Non-stop. I don't think it even stopped. And then I wanted to play my game, right? My Xbox didn't want to take my code. Like, I'm typing up my code. It's like, nope, don't recognize it. Error code. I'm like, man, I was mad. Because I really wanted to play it. So usually I close it for like a day. Next day, I turn it on. Then it remember my code. Xbox be bugging sometimes. Yep. I think the new ones like the Xbox and the PS5 is gonna drop tomorrow. So y'all look out for it, you know. But I'm like in a hole. First I need to get out that hole, and then I might invest in one. But not right now. Too much stuff going on, you know. Man, this right here, it be so good. I be dipping this on the crust. Yep.